Hey guys, welcome back to Vector Builds. Today we're going to do a quick look at some additional day one items that you want to validate, um, and then make you aware of some items that you'll want to check throughout your life cycle leveraging Salesforce. We call them audits. Along the way here, we're going to look at the company information section, the fiscal calendar, data storage, and doing a health check. With that, let's jump right in and start looking at our company information. We're going to go to Setup, and we're going to type in company information in the search box. Once we get here to your company information, you'll find important information like the number of API calls that you've made, what your currency and your locale is, your default time zone, um, any relevant information that's going to impact your entire org, including the number of licenses you have for the various product offerings of Salesforce, how many of them are used, how many of them you have left. All right, next we're going to take a look at the fiscal year settings. Um, I want to highlight that any type of customization you do here is irreversible. The only remedy is to adjust your customization to fit whatever it is that you need once you go away from the standard fiscal settings. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is that whenever you change this, it's going to erase your existing forecast and quotas. So anytime you make any changes to this setting post initial setup, always consider exporting a backup before you implement a change. Next, we're going to take a look at your data storage. Here, you're going to be able to see what your total usage of the allotted system is. You'll be able to see what it looks like for all your standard objects and see how much file space you're leveraging with what Salesforce has allocated. So Salesforce will offer some additional storage in the event that you run over, but it can be rather costly for your organization. Next, we're going to take a look at your health check. This is going to take a look at your overall environment's security settings. You'll notice that there are a good number of settings here that you would need to validate within your organization to see how robust of a security setup you want to do. Um, some key things that are likely forced by Salesforce, at least in the environment I'm in, is the multi-factor authorization. One thing that you can do here to get your score up, if you notice that you have a poor score, is you can easily click the button up at the top to fix, and then it's going to automatically set those security protocols for your environment to be updated. You'll notice that here this environment is going to go up to roughly 77% of standards, which are the Salesforce base level standards that they recommend. And we'll go ahead and hit and you'll notice we jumped up to 77. And that does it for this episode. Hope it was informative. If there's anything you'd like to see, please comment or email me. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe, and in the next episode, we'll work on getting some org-wide defaults set up, which are object security protocols. Till then,